Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Huawei smartphone to your Xiaomi Mi Note and Lite, for the first you have to go for the Play Store and get application to transfer data. So I recommend you to use the application named CLONEit. Click on the install and do the same on the second smartphone. If you get this application, you can open it on both devices. Click Allow once and then tap here Allow. Click on the Yes, I agree. Click Sender on your Huawei, tap on the Set, turn on location, go back and tap Sender once again. And right here we have to tap on the receiver, click Allow all the time. And here all we have to also turn on location, click receiver and tap on the search again. Right now just wait a little bit. And click on this Android share icon. We can connect in two ways. We can scan the QR code, but also we can input the password manually. So we have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the QR code, click Allow. Right now they are connecting. Accept the request. And if you want to send everything, just click on all of these icons and then click on the Start button. If you want to get only details, maybe 1-2 songs or 1 picture or something like that, click here. Then I'm going for the music, for example, and I'm going to unselect all of them. And I will pick, maybe I will pick this one and also this one. Click on the Start, tap on the OK, and it's finished. So right now we can check where it is. So let's go for the file manager and it will be probably the music, and yes, here it is. So this is how it works. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.